guys, Akila here from mealprep.asia, and guess what? It's Diwali week right here in Singapore! Woohoo! Alright, so I love my Indian friends. I love my Indian movies. And I also love my Indian food. So what better way than to celebrate this joyous festival of lights with a 3-meal prep called Spicy Saag Aloo. Alright guys, so Indian food is really awesome. Lots of spices, super spicy. I really enjoyed them. So I thought this week I should make something that is typically a side dish that is served in Indian restaurants called Saag Aloo. Saag Aloo essentially means potatoes and spinach. So I've made this ahead, so I've made 3 meals. I love it because it don't only serve as a side dish, it serves as a main course in this video. Partially because potatoes is a really great source of starchy carbohydrate. So I thought I don't even need to add in any more basmati rice into this meal. So this meal is really spinach and potatoes infused with lots of spices, and if you're like me who love their food spicy, then add in those chili patties which I have in today's video. So I just want you to know that today's meal is a little bit or a tad bit higher in carbohydrates, but the carbs comes from potatoes, which is awesome. It's so nutritious. It's high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. And if you're still afraid that the carbohydrate is gonna be stored wrongly in your body, then have it right after training. So it's used to replace the glycogen stores that you burn during your workout session. So grab a piece of pen and paper and find out what you need. Alright guys, so you do need about 750 grams of baby potatoes, peeled and washed, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, spring onion sliced, garlic chopped, ginger chopped. I've also used garam masala powder in this. I've also used some fresh king prawns, a bunch of coriander leaves, and slices of lemon just to put it on the side and as a condiment. You have everything. Are you ready? Let's get started. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I hope you really enjoyed that prawn saag aloo video. I'll be back next week, same time every Thursday. If you like this video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. And I'll catch you next time. Take care.